A pickup truck is like a mobile workshop, and there's never enough room for all of your gear. It's bouncing around all over the back seat, and trying to find anything can be a real challenge. But WeatherTech's under-seat storage system lets you store and organize your items while keeping them safe and secure. Let's take a closer look. Under-seat storage system is custom fit for your make and model of truck, so it fits perfectly beneath your rear seats, keeping everything out of sight. It's made of a super durable material that prevents it from shifting while you drive, and has dividers to keep your gear organized. Installation takes just a couple of minutes with no drilling, chemicals, or adhesives needed. Underseat storage system is proudly made in the USA, so you can trust its quality. Load and store your cargo easily and never worry about losing any of it to a cluttered backseat again with the underseat storage system from WeatherTech.